What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So let me show you guys a quick how-to video on pretty much resetting the oil reset gauge on a 2007 Toyota Camry. It's pretty simple. And one fun fact, this car comes with the exact same key as my 2017 Subaru BRZ. Excuse it being white. I tried painting it to make it look cooler, but if anything, it came out more junky. But they use the exact same key, even though they're 10 years apart. Hilarious. And, you know, it's a BRZ, so Subaru. So pretty much you turn the ignition on. And I just got done with the oil change. So right here it says maintenance required. And then it says trip A, 6,493 miles. So my friend was pretty much overdue by twice, because usually you want 3,000, 3,500 oil changes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reset it. Oops, sorry, my bad. I mean, you're supposed to hold it. So you're gonna reset it by holding it. There you go. So now it says 0. So now you're just gonna turn it off. Then you're gonna hold it. You're gonna turn it back on. And then it says maintenance reset mode, and just wait for all the cubes to complete. And there you go. Go ahead and turn the car on. There you go, and you're good to go. That's how you reset a 2007 Toyota Camry. Pretty simple. You just click that, hold it, and then turn it on. You do need both hands, so it was kind of hard putting my phone to record it. Let me know if this helped you out. I know this isn't for everybody. I don't own a Toyota Camry, but I feel like it would help some people. That's why I'm putting it in my channel. And don't forget, guys, to like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, peace.